Hey everyone, today we're cooking up a simple but delicious classic egg sandwich. It's quick and super easy. So first up, we're chopping some fresh coriander. Yeah, that's cilantro for my US buddies. Just give it a nice chop and set it aside. Now it's time to spice things up with half a green chili. Chop it up fine, because no one wants to bite into a chunk of chili first thing in the morning. Okay, now grab 2 eggs, crack them into a bowl, carefully, no shells please. If you do get a shell in there, no worries, just tell your guests it's a crunchy surprise. Just kidding, always fish it out. Now give those eggs a good whisk. The more air you get in, the fluffier your omelet will be. We're going for cloud-level fluffiness here, so don't be shy. Now that our eggs are perfectly whisked, it's time to add the chopped coriander and green chili. Just toss them in, and watch how the colors and flavors start to come together. This is where the magic happens. Give it a little whisk to mix everything up nicely. Let's move over to the stove. Preheat your pan on medium and add about a teaspoon of oil. We want just enough oil so our eggs don't stick, but not so much that it turns into a slip and slide. While the pan heats up, grab 2 slices of white bread. You can use whole wheat if you're feeling fancy, but today we're going classic white. Now the pan is hot, and it's time to pour in those beautifully whisked eggs. Ah, the sizzle. That sound is music to my ears. Take the pan off the heat and give it a little tilt. Spread the eggs out to cover the edges. We want every corner covered in fluffy goodness. Now for a little trick, take 1 slice of bread and dip one side into the egg mixture. Flip it over and let the bread soak up that flavor. Here comes the fun part, flip your omelet. Check out that gorgeous golden color. Chef's kiss, perfect. For those who like a little spice in life, sprinkle on some red chili flakes. Now for a classic touch, a sprinkle of black pepper and a pinch of salt. Season it just the way you like. Time to place the second slice of bread on top of our omelet and carefully flip the whole thing. If you're up for a little adventure, go ahead and sprinkle on some extra chili flakes. It's all about that extra kick. Our omelet is ready to roll. Take it off the pan and place it on your chopping board. Now cut the sandwich into 4 pieces. Diagonal, square, however you like your sandwich geometry. Let's make this sandwich shine. Grab a clean plate and arrange those pieces like you're serving a VIP. Presentation matters, even for a humble sandwich. Last but not least, you can't forget the dip. Whether it's ketchup or your favorite hot sauce, this sandwich needs its partner in crime. And there it is, your perfect egg sandwich, simple and delicious. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you give this recipe a try. See you next time.